and welcome to Jaden's Jizzing Kitchen. I am your host Jaden, and today I'm going to be cooking an exquisite Whopper. Okay, we're going to be cooking a Whopper, all right? And I'm gonna be Gordon Ramsay, and even more angry. Okay. So first, you want to do, get your gloves. Right, we go with white because Michael Jackson, his gloves were white. And we've got all the perks here. I ain't no cheat though, bitch. Alright, all I need is this and some meat. I do really love my meat, to be fair. So, we first off need to get, where the fuck is it? Well, we'll get some tomatoes. We do need a Whopper. So, we got your tomato. Right, now we need to go up. Shit. Fucking hell. Oh, shit, what the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, we got burger bun. So we got our meat and our bun, and then you just start rubbing them. Oh, sorry. I just got a big side. Anyway, get the buns. Bang. Yeah, that's that down. Then you want to get your meat. I'm going to give your meat a good old wrap. So stop the salt. Now, you never saw that meat, okay? That meat doesn't exist. Alright, we'll get some better meat. This meat is bigger, alright? I love big meat. But yeah, you want to just give your meat a good old wrap. Just maybe give it a little lick. Jesus. Then we come over here and just to the chopping board. Never saw that. Alright. So we're going to cut the tomato. I have my hair knife. We're just going to... There we go, yeah. Ah, my fucking finger! You can! You never saw it, Okay. Just be careful here because my finger's gonna be cut. Okay, that's not the best tomato I've ever cut. Because I mean, it is though, I've never cut a tomato, but... So now, we've got our tomato. We want to grab the meat, right? I'm going to cook the meat on the grill. Just like my idol, SpongeBob SquarePants. We got beer. Oh, give me the fucking beer. Yeah. Oh, spilled a bit of it. Shit. Let me just... There we go. I really did need that. My wife is a fat bitch. I might beat my child when I get home. Anyways, forget that. Just smother some of this. Squeeze it. Bang. Alright, and then we're going to flip that, see? And then we're just going to... Fuck! Bitch! Fuck's sake. Hey, assistant, what's her name again? What was her name? Scarlett! Scarlett, you fat slag. We need more, oil, alright? You fucking cunt. Oh, my bad. She's just a little slag. You know I'm having an affair with her, she's still a little slag. Oh, that is how you cook your meat, damn. There's a nice brown meat. The brown meat's always the best, you know. Brown and... I love a crusty black... I love a crusty black meat, you know what I mean? Like, I like it brown, but... Oh, my... Fuck! Psych! Oh, I need a fucking... Fine, now I'm getting fucking cold. Shit! Fuck! Right, that's fine. We're just gonna get the bag of meat. We're just gonna recook it. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, my spatula. Oh, my God. Fuck sake! Oh, it's fine. I just need to get another spatula. Oh, shit. That's... We just... Oh, shit. Right. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell. Yep. Why's this meat so sticky? What the fuck? Get on there. Stay. We've got a little egg on here. Give it 20 seconds, and while we do that, we're going to, I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. We are gonna drink some more beer. I need some of this, man. Jesus. My son's a little failure. He got a fucking B- on his fucking cooking thing. Oh shit. He's got to quit drinking. Yeah, then flip the patty. Yeah, shut up. I'll give you 20 seconds. Oh, Jesus. Oh. That's Saturday night. Right. So our burger's now done. Got a nice brown. Yeah, that's how it should look. Go over here. Just stick that in there, and we get tomato, okay? We just fuck. There we go. Now we got our fucking. Oh, fuck's sake! Oh, sorry, I'll just pick it. Oh, pick it up. Oh, that's about to go in the fuck. Oh, gee. Oh my god. Oh my fucking days. Yeah, this is the burger. Oh god. Fuck. Fuck's sake! Ah! Ah! You know, forget that, you know. We're just gonna make a nice. Oh, I don't know, I don't fucking know anymore. Don't know, do I even want to be a chef? No, my dad forced me into it! Fucking, my dad looks fucking Gordon Ramsay, you want to prick. Ah! We're just gonna get the fucking, I don't know, where's the fucking, for God's sake. Oh, I need to, I'm just gonna wash some plates, for fuck's sake. I ain't got no washed plates to wash. You know, we're deep frying a sponge. Just leave that there. Yeah, deep fry that, yep. That'll be a tasty sponge, alright. Now, oh, shit. Shit. Let's just get a blowtorch for no reason. Yeah, it's cool. Fucking hell, automatic cut. I don't fucking know anymore, man. Fucking get this out of here, get in the bin. Where's the stuff I need to make a... Can't make a fucking cake, can't do anything. It's all your fucking fault, Dad. Is that done yet? We don't need this, we just... Oh, I forgot it burns, doesn't it? Yeah, I knew that, I was just joking. Shit. Where the fuck have I got this from then? Oh, yeah, for fuck's sake. You know what? I've had enough. Fucking had enough, I have. It won't do nothing anyway. It's probably got nothing in it, it's fine. So, what should I make now? Where are the eggs? I need some egg. Goat cheese, what the fuck is that? Oh, do you reckon it's just... Oh, well, I'll chop the goat cheese. Oh, I've got more goat cheese. Yeah, this goat cheese look really, really fucking yummy. Hey, Scott, have you tried any of this goat cheese, man? It's just... So scrumptious. Fucking lovely. Oh, holy shit. Didn't know I could take that much. Oh, eggs, there we go. Yeah, so what you want to do? Get your torch. Start, I don't know. You don't want to get your torch, actually. Like, well, oh shit, I've cracked it open. Well, I can't reach. I'm so fat, I can't touch my toes. Yeah, I told you it wouldn't do anything, fucking pussy. Look, it didn't do nothing. What if we deep fry it? Oh shit! Run, hide. Is it gonna explode? Are you gonna explode, mister? I wanna eat the sponge. Oh, Jesus! Me fucking holy shit. My fucking kitchen. Oh, my dad's gonna fucking kill me. Oh shit. You know, I got one thing. Oh my god. I need to burn this place down. I can't have it here. Fucking, I don't know. Get a bucket or something. I don't know, man. Oh, just give me a swig of this. Oh, it's fucking broke. Oh my fucking god, gee. Oh, God, I just can't just do anything right. I'm a fucking failure. This is why I'm adopted. I need some beer. Just give me some more beer. Yeah, give me some. Turn it. Let's just get a bucket. Oh, let's just get a bucket. Let's just put some beer in there. Yeah, you know, I know. I'm gonna pour some beer in here. There we go. Leave that there. I think I'm not drunk. I think I just had a. I don't know. Oh, who wants their eyebrows burn off? Oh fuck! You fucking made my restaurant explode, and now I'm gonna. Oh fuck! Fucking pull it out! Oh Jesus! Oh! I ain't seen that much white stuff in my face since last night. I don't know what this is. I need it. Give me some plants. I'm now turning vegan. Fuck, I'm gonna have to mop up and shit. Fuck. Come on. It's so heavy, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm up in the floor. I'll work as a janitor here now, because... Oh, fucking hell. Gee, oh, yeah. Fuck! And that was today's show of Jaden's jizzing... I don't know. Scarlett! Scarlett, you slag. Yeah, have you got... My dad's coming up. Needs some goat cheese. Yeah, this was Jaden's jizzing restaurant going out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Jaden VI. He's a real cool guy. Fuck, my dad's about to fucking beat my